How is chocolate made? Nom, nom. Nom, nom. Huh? Scratch and see what it is. Quack, the chocolate kingdom. Quack. Quack, it's all made of chocolate. Nom, 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 nom. Nom.
Who ruined my chocolate sculpture? You greedy little duck! I'm gonna turn you into chocolate!
Oh, no, please! I'll make you a new one.
I'd like to see how you're going to make it. Do you even know what chocolate is made of?
Oh, cocoa fruit.
I can't believe you got it right. All right, let's see if you can catch my cocoa fruit. Difficulty increased. Difficulty increased.
Wow, there's so many cocoa beans. Where are you going? Ferment, ferment, ferment. Cover, cover, cover. The color of the cocoa beans has changed. Leave it to Quacky.
Some of the cocoa beans have gone bad. Help Quacky pick them out. What? You got it all done? Since the cocoa beans are ready, let's go and make chocolate. Ahem. This is my super chocolate factory.
Quack. Wow!
Watch the time. Don't over roast the cocoa beans. Please roast stop when it reaches the green bar. Perfect timing. Huh? Get up and get to work.
Huh? Woohoo! I'm gonna turn it into aromatic chocolate!
The grinder will turn the cocoa beans into aromatic and silky chocolate. Let's start the machine.
Yuck! This must be fake chocolate. It's too bitter.
You have to use my sweet recipe. Sugar. Milk powder. You can try again now. Is it good?
Yes, yes, yes! It is sweet and yummy!
If you keep eating it, there'll be no chocolate left to make the sculpture. Fill the molds with chocolate liquor. Then freeze it and it's done.
Wow! The chocolate sculpture I made with cocoa beans is so cool! Quack, 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 quack.
My sculpture! I swear I'll turn you into chocolate this time!
Wow! It's beautiful!
Huh?
You look much better with a smile than with a long face. I totally agree.